Our breakfast is over. Now I am in the kitchen. Today I am going to make mutton curry.
To try my recipes at home.
Hey guys, our lunch is done. Now I'm getting ready. I'll share with you shortly why I'm getting ready. So let's begin.
Makeup is over, so what do I wear?
This is a plain simple cotton kurti which I had taken from my mother-in-law. I'm going to wear it and I am going to team this up with a black dupatta and a black pant. So this is a straight parallel pant and it has some work on it. So that's my outfit. Let me get ready. Which earring will I wear? I have not brought all my collection, but I think with my outfit this will go. So I'll wear this one. I thought I'll not draw eyeliner, but I'm feeling like drawing now. Now I'm done finally. Now I'm going up to the roof.
So here's my brother-in-law who you had already seen in one of my previous videos and all the preparation for a photo shoot. So we are having a family photo shoot so that we can capture this moment. So we are kind of at the rooftop for a family capture.
It's around 3:30 in the afternoon now. We all are heading out to a place. I'll try and show you from there. Hopefully if we reach there before sunset, we'll catch you soon.
So let me take you all along with us while we are heading to our destination, and shortly you will come to know where we are heading. So today we had planned to visit Deepor Bill. Deepor Bill is a freshwater lake which is situated in the heart of Guwahati city. It is approximately 5 kilometers away from Guwahati International Airport, and basically we are here in search of nature. That means we wanted to get more close to nature, and there's so much of chaos and negativity everywhere because of corona, so we just wanted a breath of fresh air. So we have kind of reached the destination. I was hoping to not see too much crowd here, but I could see today is a Sunday and I could see people waiting here with their vehicles. This is kind of a spot where mostly you will find couples and young generation hanging. So how many of you like nature? So let me show you a little bit around. For my friends who are not from Assam, they can also search about Deepor Bill in Google. This is one of the popular tourist destinations, specifically in winter, and I'll shortly share with you why is that. I am just loving the site. Hope you are also enjoying it along with me. This place is rich in flora and fauna, and people also do come over here for fishing and to just enjoy the view. If I could manage, I'll also take you all to that bridge. Let me see. If you ask me to define peace of mind, I'll say when I'm close to nature, and that's exactly where I am today. As I was mentioning a while back that Deepor Bill is an ideal tourist destination specifically in winters, which starts from November or so. This is not the right time. The reason is this. This place is heaven for migratory birds, where almost 70 different species of migratory birds visit this place for breeding, shelter, food and warmer environment, and the site is just breathtaking. You can also search those pictures online. I'll try and find out and I'll paste if possible. Just enjoy the view. After enjoying the view thoroughly, we are now heading in search of some other spot on our way home. We spotted this place from our vehicle and I am thinking of going down there.
Hello guys, so we are enjoying the sunset here. Can you show a little bit here? Sunset. Ako mong dahawag. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Keep showering your love. Until the next video, bye bye.